Welcome to St. Columba Episcopal Church. My name is Deborah Andrew McConaughey, and I am the rector of St. Columba. We're located at 451 West 52nd Street on the Gulf side in Marathon, Florida. We have our Sunday service at 9 a.m. during the entire church year. During the season, December, Christmas to Easter, we also offer a Saturday evening service at 5, and we have Holy Eucharist on Tuesday mornings, healing services at scheduled times, and of course the whole kind of litany of Holy Week and Lent and Easter and quiet days and lots of very interesting ways to worship here in the church. Our church is recognized by the state of Florida as a site of great historic significance. The windows at St. Columba are one of the important artistic and biblical features of the church. On the ocean side of the sanctuary, we have 5 stained glass windows that depict scenes from the Old Testament. And on the Gulf side, we have stained glass windows that depict the story of the New Testament and the Gospel. And in addition to those very interesting and beautiful windows, we are probably one of the only churches in the world that features a stained glass of the Loch Ness Monster. St. Columba is named after a Celtic saint who is credited with calming that Loch Ness Monster from being a man-eating or a human-eating monster into a more docile character. The windows at St. Columba are formed through a method called faceted glass. And the characteristic that makes these windows so interesting, besides being really beautiful, is that we do not need to put up any kind of hurricane shutters at St. Columba because of their thickness. They were constructed from kind of a sand and epoxy method, so that the windows on the outside nearly look like they are made of complete sand, and then on the inside you'll see that they are really beautiful and highly detailed. Another interesting feature at St. Columba is we have an 11th century baptismal font. This font was originally from England. It was a gift from members of our parish. They found it when one of the churches in their neighborhood was deconsecrated, and they asked the priest at their church if they could send the font over to their winter church here in the Florida Keys. We also have on our altar 2 Russian icons that were given as gifts to one of the former rectors here at St. Columba, and he gave them as a gift to the parish. In addition to that, a beautiful seashell collection was amassed by members of our congregation, and these seashells are featured behind the altar at the church. We offer yoga twice a week at the church through a professional yoga teacher that comes in, and it's really well attended. We have Books and Coffee, which features nationally known authors, writers from the Miami Herald, novelists. That is on Thursdays. We have coffee and cookies from 1:30 till 2, and then the speaker gets right down to it from 2 to 3. Questions are always invited and encouraged. In addition to these things, we have an art gallery at St. Columba where we feature nationally known artists and watercolorists. We have potters, we have jewelers, we have sculptors, and also a beautiful wood carver that makes gorgeous birds, dolphins. She's even made some really lovely Noah's Ark materials. Our butterfly garden, we installed it last year, and it's now the home to, I would say, at least 10 different types of butterflies. We have a chart on the wall of the church so that you can sit there in our beautiful pavilion and look and match up the different types of butterflies here at St. Columba. We worked with the Boy Scouts, a troop that we house here at St. Columba as an Eagle Scout project, and formulated between the work of the parishioners and the work of the Boy Scouts Nature Garden, which offers a fully marked trail. Our parish has traveled to southern Sudan with a medical and education mission in 2008. We've been responsible for building a school over in southern Sudan. We traveled last year to Madagascar, bringing a medical mission, an eyeglasses mission, and also working on a solar program. Last year we sponsored a really big summer camp. 2 weeks we call Just for Fun Camp, and 1 week is a serious music camp. All of these things are offered for free to the community, and we have professional musicians, singers that come in and they help the kids learn how to play instruments. We provide all of the instruments to the children, and that program continues on Wednesdays and Thursdays throughout the year. It's been really great that you visited with us today, and we're happy to answer any questions that you might have about St. Columba or the Episcopal Church. The Episcopal Church is a church that by its very nature and design welcomes all people. Our mission is really open hearts, open minds, open spirit. And you can reach St. Columba at 305-743-6412. Our email address is stcolumbamarathon@gmail.com, or check out our website at www.stcolumbamarathon.org. Thank you, and God bless you.